Hello, my name is Emma. Today I will talk about Isolda, Tristan and Isolda. There are King Anguish and King Mark. Ireland is more Ireland is bigger country than Cornwall, so every year King Mark have to give money to King Anguish's brother Mort. Mort and Tristan argue, so Tristan kills him and he also gets hurt. Isolda and Tristan falls in love at the same time. She found Tristan's knife and she know Tristan kills her uncle, but she still loves him. After King Mark and Isolda get married, so Tristan and Isolda meet secretly. Tristan's friend Melot watches them kiss. Melot stabs Tristan with dagger. Tristan gets hurt. Tristan goes to another island and they can't meet. There, Blanche and Tristan falls in love, but he can't forget Isolda. Blanche jealous of Isolda and she doesn't tell truth. So Tristan and Isolda died together, but their love is forever. Thank you for listening. Bye.